Going on a road trip. Me and Dunky boy. We're gonna go pick up a lawnmower. It's here that we find ourselves, town of Mount Olive, for the great lawnmower conquest. Right, we got it here. So it's an old school lawn boy, and this is how we start it. Put the fuel on, give it a couple taps, couple love taps. Oh yeah. Turn this on. Good crank. We're going to take some time to explore this small town, Mount Olive, in Illinois. It's by Livingston, Illinois, which is close to, if you're familiar with this area at all, you do know that there's a guy painting right there. That's cool. Taking care of his community. If you're familiar with this area, you know that the Pink Elephant antique store is close by. That's like a Route 66 attraction. So this town probably at one point was pretty bustling. But you know, as things die down, businesses move away from rural America. This old Shell gas station here. That is really cool. Very neat. Wow.